2017 BMW front forward lower control arm replacement. So as you see, this one is loose. This is the original one came out, and I'm not sure if you can see here the crack right there. So you don't need to take the CV axle out, just lose it and push it back a little bit. So take that skid plate out and use the 15 millimeter to take the nut out, and this one you're gonna use the 27 millimeter 12 point, but the new screw came in with that new lower control arm. So basically we put a new one, but you knock it out, and since you already lose the CV axle nut, you need to knock it back a little bit, so it's gonna give you enough room to pull out from that way and this way. So most of the people, they try to take that CV axle out, lose that upper control arm. That's not gonna, I mean, it's gonna work, but it's a lot of work. So this side we haven't done yet. We are about to get into it. Again, the skid shield, and right here, as you see the screw, let me show it to you right here, back there. So you do the screw and you take that off. Obviously you're gonna need to take the wheel off, take that off, knock it out, and take the CV axle, lose the bolt on it, knock it back over there, and it's gonna give you enough room to take that one off. So basically this is gonna be that kind of procedure. So after that we're gonna do the main lower control arm, called strut lower control arm right here. So we have one here, one on the other side. You need to take the sharp fork out and take that 27 millimeter nut, 12 point, and knock it out. In this case, it's going to give you enough room. You don't need to touch that CV axle if you do that separately, and then replace it with the new one. So this is all about it, and nothing that much special. That's the German engineering. So my technician here already did this one, and like I said, this is a new one, and you can get it from maybe IMC Worldpack, whoever has the better price on that one. And this is all about that job. So again, when you take it back, you need to knock back that pin to make sure it's not gonna lose while the car is driving. So that was all about it. Thank you guys for watching, and shoot me a text message. Don't forget to like the video if you like it, and subscribe our channel. We put a lot and tons of free information for you guys, and see you next time. Thank you guys again.